In this video, we will be installing an egress entrance function rose. The door and door jamb needs to be prepared as per the supplied template. These are the components included in the kit. If you need to adjust your deadbolt for a 2 3/4 inch backset lock, rotate the back of the latch. Insert the deadbolt into the 1-inch bore hole with the slot facing down and fasten it to the door with 2 3/4 inch screws. Extend the deadbolt from the edge of the door. If your door requires a 2 3/4 inch backset latch, rotate the back of the latch to extend it. Insert the latch into the lower bore with the bevel side of the latch facing the door jamb and secure with 2 screws. Insert the spindle from the outside of the door, making sure the V-groove is facing down and towards the hinges. The end marked inside is to be on the interior of the door. Insert the alignment bracket and the adapter from the outside of the door. The alignment bracket will sit against the latch and the adapter will nest into the door prep. Rotate the deadbolt cam towards door edge using a flathead screwdriver. This will cover the mounting screw hole that is closest to the door's edge. Slide emergency egress cartridge onto the spindle. Attach lower portion of cartridge to the handle set with 2 1 1/4 inch flathead screws. Do not fully tighten screws at this time. Insert the cylinder through the cylinder collar if your set contains the collar. Slide the cylinder through the exterior trim. Rotate the tailpiece so it is in a vertical position. Use the tailpiece of the lock cylinder to retract the deadbolt, which will expose the hole for the second screw. Insert the 2 partially threaded 1 7/8 inch long screws through the egress cartridge and into the lock cylinder. Use the provided alignment bushings on the outer side of the door to align the spindle and the lock cylinder. Fully tighten all 4 screws. Turn the turn knob so the slot is in a horizontal position. Place the inside plate against the inside of the door and insert the mounting screws into the inside plate and thread into the egress cartridge. Install the set screw partially into the knob. Align the set screw with the V-groove in the spindle and slide the knob into place. Fully tighten the set screw. Keep pressure on the spindle towards the interior side of the door. Insert the rose retainer on the outside plate and tighten with the provided spanner wrench. Partially install the set screw into the knob. Align the set screw in the knob with the V-groove in the spindle and slide the knob into place. Finish by tightening the set screw. Test the operation of the deadbolt and egress function. Your Baldwin single-cylinder entrance egress rose lock is now installed.